If you are watching this, you probably have a goal. Make your first $1,000 online. Not $10,000, not $100,000 yet. Just that first milestone, your first $1,000 day. And right now, you feel stuck. You've scrolled through YouTube, read blog posts, watch other people do it, but you don't know where to start. The internet is throwing everything at you. Start a course, build a funnel, get into affiliate marketing, create a personal brand, run ads, build an agency. It's overwhelming, confusing, too many options, so you do nothing. But here's the truth. You don't need all of that. You don't need months of setup. You don't need to be a genius. You just need a simple system and 30 days. That's what I'm showing you today. Now, before I show you this, I want you to know why I'm even talking about this. I've personally made well over $1 million using the exact method I'm about to share with you. Not theory, not something I read in a book, actual revenue in my business. But here's what matters more. I've helped hundreds of students do this too. I've won multiple awards for this approach in the online business space. The point, I'm not guessing here. I've walked this path. I've helped so many people walk it. And what I'm about to show you, it works. So if you've been stuck, feeling overwhelmed, not knowing where to start, the next 8 minutes are going to change that for you. Here's what I see most people do wrong. They try to build a perfect business first. They spend 3 months perfecting their website, 2 months building their personal brand, 1 month creating their first product, another month trying to sell it. By then, they are exhausted. They've spent way too much money and they haven't made a dime. Sound familiar? Here's the thing nobody told you. You are doing it backwards. You should make money first, build everything else after. It's like learning to drive. You don't sit in a garage reading a manual for 6 months. You get in a car, you drive. You learn by doing. But people think they need to have everything perfect before they even try. The perfect website, the perfect product, the perfect message. Wrong. You need a system that gets you from zero to your first $1,000 as fast as possible. Not someday, not after months of preparation. Fast. Okay? Here's the method. 3 parts. Simple. Part one, find what people actually want. Don't invent. Don't guess. Listen. Go to Reddit, Facebook groups, YouTube comments. See what problems people keep mentioning. See what they keep asking about. Those are your opportunities. It's like being a waiter. You don't guess what customers want. You ask them. Then you get them exactly what they ask for. Take 1 hour. Go to 2 or 3 of these places. Write down the biggest problems you see people asking about. That's your starting point. One of my students, Maria, did this. She noticed people asking the same question over and over. How do I get my first freelance client? That's her opportunity. Part two, you create something that solves that problem. And here's where most people overthink it. They think they need to create the perfect course, 30 modules, professional videos, fancy editing, 6 months of work. Wrong. You know what people actually buy? Simple, clear, something works. So here's how. Take the problem you identified, break it into exact steps, write them down, record yourself explaining each step. Done. That's it. No perfection required, just clear steps. Maria created a simple 3 step guide. Step one, where to find clients. Step two, how to pitch them. Step three, how to close the deal. Nothing fancy, just clear steps that solve the problem. She made her first $1,000 online in 3 weeks selling that guide. Part three, get in front of people who want it. You don't need a million followers. You don't need a massive email list. You just need to get your solution in front of people actively looking for it. There are 3 ways to do this. One, post on social media. Share the problem you solved. Offer your solution. One of my students, James, posted on TikTok about a problem he solved, got 50,000 views, made his first $1,000 in 12 days. He wasn't famous. He just solved a problem people care about. Two, use pay ads. Spend $50 to $100 getting your solution in front of people searching for that specific problem. If your solution is good, you pretty much make your money back immediately. Three, this one is my favorite. Find communities where your ideal customer hangs out. Get permission to share or partner with someone who already has that audience. That's it. You find, create, sell. Let me give you a real example of how this all comes together. One of my students, David, he was broke, unemployed. He was exactly where you might be right now. He was lost, didn't know where to start. And here's what he did. He spent 3 hours on Reddit in freelance communities. He listened. He found out that people kept asking the same question. How do I get my first clients as a virtual assistant? Boom! That's his opportunity. He already had VA experience from before. So he wrote down the exact steps he used to get clients. He recorded a simple video walking through each step. He also created a basic PDF guide. Total time he spent 1 week. Not perfect, but clear steps. Then he posted on TikTok about it. He got 2,000 views, made his first $1,000 in just 2 weeks. And he's not even a marketer. He just solved a real problem that real people had and got his solution in front of them. But here's the best part. He didn't stop there. He kept refining it. He kept selling it. He kept getting better at explaining it. Now he made over $50,000 with that same simple guide. That's what's possible when you follow the system. And here's what I want you to understand. Right now, you could be 30 days away from making your first $1,000 online because this isn't complicated. It's not luck. It's not waiting for something magical to happen. It's a system that everybody can follow. You follow it, it works. And once you've done it once, you've proven to yourself it's possible. Then you do it again and again and again. I've watched hundreds of people go from I don't know where to start to I just made my first $1,000 online as complete beginners. And they keep going $5,000, $10,000, $50,000, $100,000. But it all starts with 30 days and this simple 3-part method. Now, I've put together a complete step-by-step training that walks you through exactly this. What to do, how to do it, real examples of what other students did, and a method for you to get paid without even creating your own products. The link is in the description. Click it, go through that training. And here's what I want you to do. Commit to 30 days, just 30. Follow the steps, see what happens. Because once you make that first $1,000, you are going to realize something. This is possible. You can do this. There's no reason to go back. Let's go.